Welcome to The Ascent, where we explore the stories behind monumental success.
Yeah.
Today, we're tackling the name that, well, it holds immense power in the financial world, BlackRock.
It's hard to overstate their scale, Alex.
Hmm.
BlackRock manages over $10 trillion in assets. I mean, to put that in perspective, if BlackRock were a country, its economy would be the third largest in the world,
Wow.
right behind the US and China. But, the number isn't the real story.
No.
The real story is that it all started from zero. In fact, from less than zero.
That's the perfect way to put it. Let's go back to 1988.
Okay.
Larry Fink, a former star trader, gathers 7 of his partners to start a new firm in a single, cramped office. But, and this is key, Fink wasn't riding a wave of success.
Right.
He was haunted by a colossal failure, a $100 million trading loss that had ended his career at his previous firm.
And most people would try to, bury a failure like that.
Totally.
But for Fink, it became his company's entire reason for being. His vision for BlackRock wasn't just about making money. It was about obsessively understanding and managing risk. He wanted to build the system he wished he'd had,
Right.
so his clients would never face the kind of disaster he did.
So they have this powerful, mission-driven idea.
Yeah.
But how did the world react?
With a resounding no. For nearly a full year.
A whole year?
They couldn't get a single client. Fink has said they were literally laughed out of rooms.
Wow.
People saw a small, unproven team led by a guy who had made a famous 9-figure mistake. It's a testament to their conviction that they didn't just give up.
That initial struggle is what makes the turning point so dramatic.
Right.
They finally get a shot to pitch their services to General Electric, which, they had one of the largest pension funds in the country.
Mm-hmm.
This was their make or break moment. What do you think you'd do in that situation, Ben?
I'd probably focus on all my successes and hope they don't ask about the big failure.
Yeah.
But Fink did the exact opposite. He walked into that high-stakes meeting and laid it all on the table.
No way.
He told the story of his $100 million loss not as an excuse, but as his defining qualification. He essentially said, I know what it's like to be blindsided by risk, and I've built a company obsessed with making sure it never happens to you.
That is such a powerful lesson in leadership.
It is.
His vulnerability created trust. Authenticity won the day. So GE signed with them, and that single act of trust, it was the crack in the dam.
Yeah.
After that, the floodgates opened. But their growth wasn't just luck.
No.
It was smart strategy.
Exactly.
They had a technological secret weapon called Aladdin.
Right.
A cutting-edge risk analysis platform that could see risks other firms couldn't. It was like they were playing chess while everyone else was playing checkers.
Yeah.
Then they made a series of bold acquisitions. In the chaos of the 2008 financial crisis, while other firms were collapsing,
Yeah.
BlackRock acquired Barclays Global Investors. That move not only made them the world's largest asset manager, but also positioned them to dominate the booming ETF market.
So you take a core philosophy born from failure.
Yep.
You persevere through a year of rejection. You win trust with radical honesty, and you build on it with tech innovation and bold, strategic moves. That's the blueprint. It's a story about resilience, vision, and the incredible power of owning your failures.
It really is. The journey from that one-room office to managing trillions is one of the most remarkable stories in modern business.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Now, here's a question we'd like you to think about.
Okay.
What's a past failure you've tried to forget? And how could you, like Larry Fink, reframe it as your most valuable lesson and greatest strength?